Now solve this problem. In a triangle ABC, if AD is perpendicular to BC, first draw the triangle. Let it be A and let it be D, and this is B and this is C. So AD is perpendicular to BC. Then AB square plus AB square means hypotenuse, CD square means this side is equals to. So following the Pythagoras theorem, I can write AB square is equals to AD square plus BD square, and here AC square is equals to CD square plus AD square. Now I want sum of AB square and CD square, so I will sum this. That is AB square plus CD square plus AD square is equals to AC square plus AD square plus BD square, AB square plus CD square. So AD is common on both sides, so I will cancel them out. AC square plus BD square, which is option C. Now solve this problem. Angle ACB is an angle in the semicircle of diameter AB is equals to 5. So we have a semicircle here with the diameter 5 units and A and B. So we have a triangle ABC. As you all know, this triangle will be 90 degrees because half of this triangle. So now he gave AC is 3x and BC is 4x. The area of the triangle ABC is equals to half of base into height. So half of base, you can take anything here. I will take 4. 4 into height is 3. So 2 ones, 2 twos. So the area is 2 into 3, 6 square centimeter. So answer is option B. Now solve this question. From the given alternative words, select the word which can't be formed using the letters of given word. To solve such questions, first go with the options here. So if I go with option A, which says I is there in the given word, N is also there, A is also there, C is also there, T is also there, I is also there, O is also there, and N is also there. So this is right. So now check this option CRE. So CRE. So I have these three words ATI. So ATI. I have these three words and ON. So this is possible. Now try to look at this thing TER. So T here, E here, R here. So these three words possible. RAIN. So another R here. So I also have another R here. 1 R, 2 R. So I have 2 R's and 1 A. Okay. I, yes, and N, yes. So this is also possible. So the correct answer is C. In this we don't have R, E. So E we have, L we don't have. So we can't form this word from the given word. Now try to solve this question. Some letters are given with numbers from 1 to 6. Select the sequence of numbers which arrange the letters in a meaningful word. So to solve this question, go by the options. So 6 is N here, 5 is D. So with ND I won't form any word. So this is wrong option. Now check B, 3, 4. So CO. So you can form words with CO. So let's continue. 5, 2. So 5 is D, 2 is I, and 6, 1. 6 is N and 1 is G. So coding. I got a word coding. So this is correct. Look at this problem now. The problem says Mr. Mani's age is 47 years and John's age is 13 years. in how many years will Mr. Mani's age would be double of John's age. So Mani's age is double of John's age. So present age of John is 47 and present age of Mani is 47 and John is 13. To solve such questions, go by the options. If I add 10 on both sides, I can eliminate 10 because twice of j is a even number. I'll get a even number. But if I take 10 here, 10 plus 47, which is 57. So 57 is a odd number. So this option is wrong. Similarly, 20 also wrong. If I add 20 to 47, it becomes 67, which is a odd number. So this is wrong. I remained with these two answer choices. If I try to substitute 15, so 15 plus 13, which is equals to 28. 28 is the age of John. Now it must be equals to 56. So 15 plus 47 is equals to 62, which is not equals to twice of 28. So this is also wrong. So our answer option is D. Let's check that. 47 plus 21, which is equals to 68 here, and 13 plus 21, which is equals to 34 here. So 34 into 2 is 68. So D is correct. That's it for this video. In the next video, let's try to solve some more questions. And please subscribe to my channel so that you will get all the information related to my videos. Thank you.